Well, good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon update. We've had a very interesting day today in commodities. Everything started off higher this morning with the USDA quarterly grain stocks report out at 11 o'clock. We had a lot of movement, a lot of volatility, and we'll review that quickly for you. Let's go to cotton first. We are actually down on the day 58 at 60.42. The high was 61.57. It was made about 9:30 this morning. The low was 59.78. That was made about 11:15 this morning. The market looked very strong this morning. A very consistent, steady move up. It got up to its highs. Volume started to dry up, and then the market immediately backed off. Did not see any news that really would cause that, but that was just the market reaction. Looking at the grains and oilseed. The soybean market closes up 7 1/4 at 891 1/2. It had a report that was considered pretty close to neutral today. Its high is 902 1/2. Its low is 881 1/4. With that neutral number, though, the soybean market was up 11 just before the number came out. It sold off. It got down on the day. It started bouncing back here toward the close and closed up. Corn closed down a half cent at 388 1/2. The high was 394 1/2 at 9 a.m. and the low was 381 1/2, and that was made right when the number came out. That number also considered pretty close or within the range of expectations. Corn was up 4 at the time that number came out, and it sold off after that. Wheat was actually down before the number came out, but managed to close up 8 1/2 at 512 1/4. The high was 514 and the low was 498 1/2. That report was a little bullish. It was a little bit on the lower end of expectations, coming out at 2.09 billion bushels. So let's look at the outside markets. The dollar up 45 on the day. Crude oil down 10 cents a barrel. Gold and silver both down. Gold down 11.50 an ounce and silver down 9 cents. And then we've got the Dow Jones up on the day 168. So that's it. Join us tomorrow morning at 7:30. We'll have our E3 report. We'll review in a little bit more detail what our quarterly grain report said today. Have a good evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.